How to repair your portable air hydraulic jack. Remove the 2 cabinet screws. Remove the 2 air hoses coming from the handle by pushing the small red ring while pulling the hose. Then remove the 4 screws from the chassis. It's now possible to pull the cylinder and the chassis apart. Remove the oil plug and empty the oil reservoir. Start by fixing the cylinder base to your workbench. Re-plug the oil reservoir. Use air to drive the cylinder up. Make sure to use the air hose for the air motor. Then remove the cylinder packing box. Remove middle cylinder with small piston. It's very important to be careful not to damage the cylinder parts and to keep them clean. Remove the small piston from the middle cylinder. Then remove the 100mm piston. Remove seals and clean all cylinder parts meticulously. Check for scratches and rust before fitting new seals. Keep in mind that the yellow backup rings are bowl-shaped, so the black O-rings fit into them. Always use plenty of grease when mounting. Refit the 100mm piston on the middle cylinder. Use glue to lock it. Refit the small piston in the middle cylinder. Remember to lubricate with plenty of grease. Please observe that both scraper rings have 2 lips. Make sure that the bottom lip is positioned correctly. Use glue to lock both the 65mm piston and saddle. Refit the packing box. Remember the bottom seal lip. Remove the oil reservoir and main cylinder. Clean and check for scratches. Replace the seals. Lubricate with grease and refit the main cylinder. Take care that the yellow ring does not leave the groove and get pinched. Refit oil reservoir and middle cylinder with the 100mm piston. Make sure the oil plug is placed like this. Refill with oil. The correct oil level is to the lower edge of the hole. If you need to fix the pump, start by removing the oil hose on the pump and the air hoses for lowering and air supply. Place the cylinder on its side and remove the 3 bottom screws. Make sure everything is cleaned and greased. Replace the O-ring between the pump and the cylinder. Remount screws, air hoses and oil hose. Be sure to push the hoses fully into the quick couplings. If the air motor is leaking from the bottom, you need to change seals around the pump piston. Start by fixing the cylinder base. Then remove the air supply and the sound absorber. Observe the exact turning position of the air motor. The air motor does not need to be tightened completely, but must be repositioned the same way. Remove the air motor and then the packing box. Remove the seals in the packing box. Make sure everything is cleaned before replacing the seals. Lubricate with grease. Check the pump piston for scratches and marks. Remount the air motor. When the jack is ready for reassembly, just follow the disassemble steps in reverse order. Be sure to push the hoses fully into the quick couplings. Make sure that the air hoses do not get pinched.